Hello aspirant, welcome to Incar IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the taking history optional, what is the pros and cons. Because some subjects have the historically higher average scores and the availability of resources very much high. Choose a subject with the ample books, notes, test series and coaching. So it's very much complicated, but for the history side there is a many pros. First of all, it will be very much overlap with our GS paper, that is a paper 1 history, art and culture, essay paper, historical analysis and also valuables, ethics paper, that is a philosophers, freedom fights, values, some bits helping the prelims too. So this is very much overlap with our prelims for the need of the prior background. So even if you don't study history in graduation, you can still manage. It will be very much right strategy because you already studied history. There is a static syllabus. There is a less dependence on the current affairs. It's the only subject. We don't want much current affairs relatable, and also that unlike the optional like PSI or public administration, history is largely static because of the constant update is required. That's enough, and it is very much good for the storytelling answers because history allows the narrating stories, making them interesting and fluid. So that is a very much easy for some people, and also it helps in the answer writing practice, improves your flow of writing. That is a very much important, and also you have to enhance your perspective because interesting part is you have to understand the past. That will be definitely help in administrative reasoning, and also it will give the holistic answer in your GS and also the essay paper. So it will be definitely enhance your perspective and availability of resource. There's a tons of material, that is a everybody having the NCRT book, so it will be definitely cover your history optional, and you have so many sources. So this is a very good optional, and for compared to others, it will be very much overlap, and also availability of resources high, and also it's for only mainly storytelling. The constant less update is required for the current affairs. So history optional is also one of the good optional. Cons, mainly history optional. The one thing is lengthy syllabus. You can't derive, that is ancient, medieval, modern world history till today. So it's a lot. Requires strong time management is required, and also you have to factual density is required because you have to remember all the days, the events, places, treaties, personalities. So you can get overwhelming in revision. So that is very much toughest part in history optional, and high competition. Definitely, it's a popular optional. You'll need good answer writing to differentiate other people. So that is a very much important thing. There is a high competition. Marks variation scaling. There is a some years history optional have been the fluctuating scores. Depends a lot of presentation and answers quality. So there will be a very variation scaling is there, and also there is an answer writing skill demanding. You need to balance the facts with analysis. So you have to balance the fact, and also the analysis part is also required, and also only facts average mark, analysis plus facts you will get the high marks. This is the main important strategy for preparing the history option. It is very much tough for you, and also there is a limited direct help in GS2 and 3 because GS1 overlap is good, but limited uses in the GS2 like polity and also the economy. So it will not very much related to the polity economics. It's totally different sector, so it is not overlap with others GS2 or GS3 paper. And also if you have interest in stories of the past and enjoy the linking events and causes, or ready to handle a factual syllabus every subject, history is a very good rewarding choice for you. It will definitely build the strong fundamentals, and also you require more good revisions strategy, and also the content is bulk, so you have to give more time on history option. And answer writing is a key, always present arguments, causes, impacts, and also the historical perspective. So you need to add all these things in a meal, then only it will come across a full meal. So one more tip, and also you have to use a maths for the history answers. That is very much differentiate from you other people, and also you have to connect with the past and the present in your conclusion. That is also one of the important thing, and also you have to quote the historians. That is very much useful for you to scoring the higher marks in history subject. Thank you so much.